So we got chassis then, electronic parking brake, TPMSs, adaptive brake, suspension. See, and this is another way, I believe, this is another way to get to the same functions we were already in, in AutoScan. So if you know what you're looking for and you don't have to AutoScan it, you could just go here and boom, 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 and be exactly where you need to be. Electro-hydraulic power steering. Device enabled to communicate. Okay. So, lots and lots of stuff. Look at all this. Literally everything that's in this car, this computer communicates with. In-car internet. Hello. Wish I had that. Yeah, unable to communicate. I bet. Night view assist we have. Instrument cluster assist plus we have. Parktronic we have. Camera command. So good stuff. Lots of things to communicate with. Seats and doors. And AC. Auto air, stationary heater. Good stuff. So that was the control units, right? But that was only diagnosis. Then there's the hot function. Oil reset, electric parking brake, steering angle sensor, TPMS, and EMO and keys. Now this is interesting. What can you do? Disable the key. Please don't. I only have one. Disable the key or key track with the workshop key. Authorize the key or key track once again. Program the replacement key. Fuses are okay. Appropriate vehicle key exits. Appropriate key track not disabled. Two-way radio. Nope. You don't have the key. Uh-oh. Can't get out. I hate it when that happens. Come on. So now I gotta get out and go back in. Look at this. Boom. Might as well, right? Let it initiate. It doesn't take long, but enter VIN. Moving too fast for this thing. A hexa-core processor. Okay, so that was hot functions, right? So there was that, right? And there's EMO and keys, whatever that does, right? And then there's programming. I feel like we've seen this menu before, but this is nice. The programming, that's where this J2534 thing comes in. And it programs everything. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for joining me on this crazy adventure. This is OBD, just basic OBD. So this is like the basic scanner sort of thing, if you want it. I am ready. This drive cycle, cycle? I don't know. So I just cleared misfire monitoring. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting. Component test. Good way to check your VIN. If the VIN in the window is the same as here, it's the same as anywhere else on the car. There you have it, folks. Autel MaxiCom MK908P. Great tablet. Dives deep into the W221. I feel like there isn't a corner of this computer network this tablet can't reach. Let me know if I am wildly mistaken, or your comments or anything. I'm kind of ranting here, but you have to understand, you guys, I'm doing this for the very first time here, trying to play around with this tablet, not knowing anything about any of this stuff. It's just fascinating to me. So hang in there if, you want to comment on anything. Please comment below, and we'll go from there. Peace.